राम 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 सर्वेभ्यः स्वागतम. Welcome to Learning to Chant Narayaniyam class 44. We will begin with Dhyanam. Gurureva gatirgurumev bhaje gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave na guroh paramam shishurasmi guroho matirasti gurau mama pahi guro Shrikanto matulo yasya जननी सर्वमंगला जनकः शंकरो देवः तं वन्दे कुञ्जराननं पीताम्बरं करविराजितशङ्खचक्रकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायमतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशमनिशं हृदि भावयामि. We'll begin with the revision from halfway through 23rd dashakam. Yeah, start Spurti.
स्तोत्रं च मन्त्रमपि नारदतोऽथ लब्ध्वा तोषाय शेषवपुषो ननुते तपस्यन् विद्याधराधिपतितां स हि सप्तरात्रे लब्ध्वाप्यकुण्ठमतिरन्वभजद्भवन्तम् तस्मै मृणालधवलेन सहस्रशीर्ष्णा रूपेण बद्धनुतिसिद्धगणावृतेन प्रादुर्भवन्न चिरतो नुतिभिः प्रसन्नः दत्त्वात्मतत्त्वमनुगृह्य तिरोदधाथ त्वद्भक्तमौलिरथ सोऽपि च लक्षलक्षं वर्षाणि हर्षुलमना भुवनेषु गामं सङ्गापयन् गुणगणं तव सुन्दरीभिः सङ्गातिरेकरहितो ललितं चचार अत्यन्तसङ्गविलयाय भवत्प्रणुन्नः नूनं सरूप्य गिरिमाप्यमहत्समाजे निःशङ्कमङ्ककृतवल्लभमङ्गचारिं तं शङ्करं परिहसन्नुमयाभिषेपे निःसम्भ्रमस्त्वयमयाथितशापमोक्षः वृत्रासुरत्वमुपगम्य सुरेन्द्रयोधी भक्त्यात्मतत्त्वकथनैः समरे विचित्रं शत्रोरपि भ्रममपास्य गतः पदन्ते त्वत्सेवनेन दितिरिन्द्रवधोद्यतापि तान् प्रत्युतेन्द्र सुहृदो मरुतोऽखिलेभे दुष्टाशयेऽपि शुभदैव भवन्निषेवा तत्तादृशस्त्वमव मां पवनालयेश इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये दक्षचरितं तथा चित्रकेतूपाख्यानं चेति त्रयोविंशतितमं दशकं समाप्तं. नारायणाखिलगुरो भगवन्नमस्ते.
24th dashakam. Ramya. Okay, there seems to be some problem on Ramya's end. If she joins, she will continue, or I will tell these 4 shlokas. Vidhatarang ghoram sakhalu tapasitva nachirataha पुरः साक्षात् कुर्वन् सुरनरमृगाद्यैरनिधनम् वरं लब्ध्वा दृप्तो जगदिह भवन्नायकमिदम् परिक्षुन्दन्निन्द्रादहरत दिवं त्वामगणयन् निहन्तुं त्वां भूयस्तव पदमवाप्तस्य च रिपोः बहिर्दृष्टेरन्तर्दधित हृदये सूक्ष्मवपुषा नदन्नुच्चैस्तत्राप्यखिल भुवनान्ते च मृगयन् भिया यातं मत्वा स खलु जितकाशीनिववृते. रम्या, 4th श्लोक.
तत्त्वस्य प्रख्यातस्य मदनि सुतो गर्भवसतो मुनेर्वीणापानेरधिगत भवद्भक्तिमहिमा सबलिजात्य दैत्यशिशुरपि समेत्य त्वयि रतं गतभक्तानां वरद परमोदाहरणम्
Okay, good. We'll move on to shloka number 6. Arjun will begin with. First is Arjun, no? Adhiteshu श्रेष्ठं किमिति
परिपृष्टेथ तनये
Arjun, your camera is not on. भवद्भक्तिं वर्याम् अभिगदति
पर्याकुलधृतिः
गुरुभ्यो रोषित्वा सहजमतिः अस्य इत्यभिविदन् वधोपायान् अस्मिन् व्यतनुत भवत्पादशरणे अधीतेषु श्रेष्ठं किमिति परिपृष्टेथ तनये भवद्भक्तिं
भवद्भक्तिं वर्याम् भवद्भक्तिं वर्याम्
अभिगदति
अभिगदति
पर्याकुलधृतिः
पर्याकुलधृतिः
गुरुभ्यो रोषित्वा
गुरुभ्यो रोषित्वा
सहजमतिरस्य
सहजमतिरस्य
इत्यभिविदन्
इत्यभिविदन्
वधोपायानस्मिन्
वधो
व्यतनुत
व्यतनुत
भवत्पादशरणे
भवत्पादशरणे
अधीतेषु श्रेष्ठं किम्
अधीतेषु श्रेष्ठं किम् अधीतेषु श्रेष्ठं किम् अधीतेषु श्रेष्ठं किम्
इति परिपृष्टेऽथ तनये
इति परिपृष्टेऽथ तनये
अधीतेषु श्रेष्ठं किमिति परिपृष्टेऽथ तनये
अधीतेषु श्रेष्ठं किमिति परिपृष्टेऽथ तनये.
Dhakara Mahaprana, and don't give too much of dirgha in adhiteshu. Adhiteshu is one pada, so when you pull it for too long it becomes like adhiteshu, so it should not be heard like two padas. It should be adhiteshu, the whole line.
Adhiteshu shreshtham kimiti Adhiteshu shreshtham kimiti pariprishthetha tanaye. Adhiteshu shreshtham kimiti pariprishthetha tanaye.
Bhavad bhaktim varyam.
Bhavat bhaktim varyam
Abhigadati paryakuladhritihi.
Abhigadati paryakuladhritihi
Bhavad bhaktim varyam abhigadati paryakuladhritihi.
Bhavat bhaktim varyam abhigadati paryakuladhritihi Bhavat bhaktim varyam abhigadati paryakuladhritihi
Gurubhyo roshitva.
Gurubhyo roshitva
Sahajamatirasyetyabhividan.
Sahajamatirasyetyabhividan
Gurubhyo roshitva sahajamatirasyetyabhividan.
Gurubhyo roshitva sahajamatirasyetyabhividan Gurubhyo roshitva sahajamatirasyetyabhividan
Vadhopayanasmin.
Vadhopayanasmin
Vyatanuta bhavat padasharane.
व्यतनुत भवत्पादशरणे व्यतनुत भवत्पादशरणे
वधोपायानस्मिन् व्यतनुत भवत्पादशरणे
वधोपायानस्मिन् व्यतनुत भवत्पादशरणे वधोपायानस्मिन् व्यतनुत भवत्पादशरणे
The first line pariprishthetha, the takara is alpa prana only. It is not prishthetha. So we told correctly only. A couple of people have asked doubts. Prishtha means backside. Prishta is to ask. So one on the slide it is correct. The whole shloka Arjun.
अधीतेषु श्रेष्ठं किमिति परिपृष्टेऽथ तनये भवद्भक्तिं वर्यामभिगदति पर्याकुलधृतिः गुरुभ्यो रोषित्वा सहजमतिरस्येत्यभिविदन् वधोपायानस्मिन् व्यतनुत भवत्पादशरणे.
Very good. Very good. Spurti. Shloka 7. Spurti. Oh, her net is hanging. Ramya. Okay. Sashulairavindhaha.
Sorry, I could not hear you.
Sashulairavindhaha.
सशूलैराविद्धः सशूलैराविद्धः
सुबहुमथितः
सुबहुमथितः सुबहुमथितः
दिग्गजगणैः
दिग्गजगणैः दिग्गजगणैः
महासर्पैः
महासर्पैः महासर्पैः
दष्टोऽपि
दष्टोऽपि दष्टोऽपि
अनशन
अनशन अनशन
गराहारविधुतः
गराहारविधुतः गराहारविधुतः
गिरीन्द्र
गिरीन्द्र गिरीन्द्र
अवक्षिप्तोऽपि
अवक्षिप्तोऽपि अवक्षिप्तोऽपि
अहह परमात्मन्
अहह परमात्मन् अहह परमात्मन्
अयि विभो
अयि विभो अयि विभो
त्वयि
त्वयि त्वयि
न्यस्तात्मत्वात्
न्यस्तात्मत्वात् न्यस्तात्मत्वात्
किमपि न
किमपि न किमपि न
निपीडामभजत
निपीडामभजत निपीडामभजत
सशूलैराविद्धः
सशूलैराविद्धः सशूलैराविद्धः
सुबहुमथितो दिग्गजगणैः
सुबहुमथितो दिग्गजगणैः सुबहुमथितो दिग्गजगणैः
महासर्पैर्दष्टोऽपि
महासर्पैर्दष्टोऽपि महासर्पैर्दष्टोऽपि
अनशनगराहारविधुतः
अनशनगराहारविधुतः अनशनगराहारविधुतः
गिरीन्द्रावक्षिप्तः
गिरीन्द्रावक्षिप्तः गिरीन्द्रावक्षिप्तः
अप्यहः परमात्मन्
अप्यहः परमात्मन् अप्यहः परमात्मन्
अयि विभो
अयि विभो
त्वयि न्यस्तात्मत्वात्
त्वयि न्यस्तात्मत्वात्
किमपि न निपीडामभजत
किमपि न निपीडामभजत किमपि न निपीडामभजत
सशूलैराविद्धः सुबहु
सशूलैराविद्धः सुबहु सशूलैराविद्धः सुबहु
मथितो दिग्गजगणैः
मथितो दिग्गजगणैः
सशूलैराविद्धः सुबहु मथितो दिग्गजगणैः
सशूलैराविद्धः सुबहुमथितो दिग्गजगणैः सशूलैराविद्धः सुबहुमथितो दिग्गजगणैः
महासर्पैर्दष्टोऽप्यनशन
महासर्पैर्दष्टोऽप्यनशन
गराहारविधुतः
गराहारविधुतः
महासर्पैर्दष्टोऽप्यनशन गराहारविधुतः
महासर्पैर्दष्टोऽप्यनशन गराहारविधुतः महासर्पैर्दष्टोऽप्यनशन गराहारविधुतः
गिरीन्द्रावक्षिप्तोऽपि
गिरीन्द्रावक्षिप्तोऽपि
अहह परमात्मन्नयि विभो
अहह परमात्मन्नयि विभो अहह परमात्मन्नयि विभो
गिरीन्द्रावक्षिप्तोऽप्यहह परमात्मन्नयि विभो
गिरीन्द्रावक्षिप्तोऽप्यहह परमात्मन्नयि विभो गिरीन्द्रावक्षिप्तोऽप्यहह परमात्मन्नयि विभो
त्वयि न्यस्तात्मत्वात्
त्वयि न्यस्तात्मत्वात्
किमपि न निपीडामभजत
किमपि न निपीडामभजत किमपि न निपीडामभजत
त्वयि न्यस्तात्मत्वात् किमपि न निपीडामभजत
त्वयि न्यस्तात्मत्वात् किमपि न निपीडामभजत त्वयि न्यस्तात्मत्वात् किमपि न निपीडामभजत सशूलैराविद्धः सुबहुमथितो दिग्गजगणैः महासर्पैर्दष्टोऽप्यनशन गराहारविधुतः गिरीन्द्रावक्षिप्तोऽप्यहह परमात्मन्नयि विभो त्वयि न्यस्तात्मत्वा त्वयिन्यस्तात्मत्वात् किमपि न निबीडामभजत.
Good. Shloka number 8, Ramya. ततः शङ्काविष्टः स पुनरतिदुष्टः अस्य जनकः गुरुक्त्या तद्गेहे किल वरुणपाशैः
किल वरुणपाशैः
तमरुणत् गुरोश्चासान्निध्ये स पुनरनुगान् दैत्यतनयान् भवद्भक्तेस्तत्त्वम् परममपि विज्ञानमशिषत् ततः शङ्काविष्टः स पुनरतिदुष्टः अस्य जनकः गुरुक्त्या तद्गेहे किल वरुणपाशैः तमरुणत् गुरोश्चासान्निध्ये स पुनरनुगान् दैत्यतनयान् भवद्भक्तेस्तत्त्वम् परममपि विज्ञानम् अशिषत् ततः शङ्काविष्टः स पुनरतिदुष्टोऽस्य जनकः
स पुनरपि दुष्टोऽस्य जनकः स पुनरपि दुष्टोऽस्य जनकः
ततः शङ्काविष्टः स पुनरतिदुष्टोऽस्य जनकः
ततः शङ्काविष्टः स पुनरतिदुष्टोऽस्य जनकः ततः शङ्काविष्टः स पुनरतिदुष्टोऽस्य जनकः
गुरूक्त्या तद्गेहे
गुरूक्त्या तद्गेहे
किल वरुणपाशैस्तमरुणत्
किल वरुणपाशैस्तमरुणत् किल वरुणपाशैस्तमरुणत्
गुरूक्त्या तद्गेहे किल वरुणपाशैस्तमरुणत्
गुरूक्त्या तद्गेहे किल वरुणपाशैस्तमरुणत् गुरूक्त्या तद्गेहे किल वरुणपाशैस्तमरुणत्
गुरोश्चासान्निध्ये
गुरोश्चासान्निध्ये
स पुनरनुगान् दैत्यतनयान्
स पुनरनुगान् दैत्यतनयान् स पुनरनुगान् दैत्यतनयान्
गुरोश्चासान्निध्ये स पुनरनुगान् दैत्यतनयान्
गुरोश्चासान्निध्ये स पुनरनुगान् दैत्यतनयान् गुरोश्चासान्निध्ये स पुनरनुगान् दैत्यतनयान्
भवद्भक्तेस्तत्त्वम्
भवद्भक्तेस्तत्त्वम्
परममपि विज्ञानमशिषत्
परममपि विज्ञानमशिषत् परममपि विज्ञानमशिषत्
भवद्भक्तेस्तत्त्वं परममपि विज्ञानमशिषत्
भवद्भक्तेस्तत्त्वं परममपि विज्ञानमशिषत् भवद्भक्तेस्तत्त्वं परममपि विज्ञानमशिषत् ततः शङ्काविष्टः स पुनरतिदुष्टोऽस्य जनकः गुरोक्त्या तद्गेहे किल
गुरूक्त्या
तद्गेहे किल वरुणपाशैस्तमरुणत् गुरोश्चासान्निध्ये स पुनरनुगान् दैत्यतनयान् भवद्भक्तेस्तत्त्वं परममपि विज्ञानमशिषत्.
The second line starting is Guruktya, third line is Guroho, Guroschasannidhye. So just be careful. Both one is Ukara Dirgha, the third line is Guro Okar. Ninth shloka, Arjuna. Oh, Arjuna is not here. Spurti. पिता शृण्वन् बालप्रकरम् अखिलम् त्वत्स्तुतिपरम् रुषान्धः प्राहैनं
प्राहैनं प्राहैनं
कुलहतक
कुलहतक कुलहतक
कस्ते बलमिति
कस्ते बलमिति कस्ते बलमिति
बलं मे वैकुण्ठः
बलं मे वैकुण्ठः बलं मे वैकुण्ठः
तव च जगताम्
तव च जगतां तव च जगतां
चापि सबलम्
चापि सबलं चापि सबलं
स एव त्रैलोक्यम्
स एव त्रैलोक्यं स एव त्रैलोक्यं
सकलमिति
सकलमिति सकलमिति
धीरोऽयमगदीत्
हीरोऽयमगदीत् हीरोऽयमगदीत्
पिता शृण्वन्
पिता शृण्वन्
बालप्रकरम्
बालप्रकरम्
अखिलं त्वत्स्तुतिपरम्
अखिलं त्वत्स्तुतिपरम्
रुषान्धः प्राहैनम्
रुषान्धः प्राहैनम्
कुलहतकस्ते बलमिति
कुलहतकस्ते बलमिति
बलं मे वैकुण्ठः
बलं मे वैकुण्ठः
तव च जगताम्
तव च जगतां
चापि सबलम्
चापि सबलं
स एव त्रैलोक्यम्
स एव त्रैलोक्यं स एव
Sa eva, you should not say sa eva like there's a yakara in between. Sa eva, the ekara is kantha talu, only kantha and talu. So the yakara should not come. Ya,
स
ye should be
स एव त्रैलोक्यं
sakalamiti dhiroyamagadit.
सकलमिति धीरोऽयमगदीत्
Pita shunvan balaprakaram.
पिता शृण्वन् बालप्रकरम्
Even the shrinvan, you are saying little shru is heard. It should be shrinvan.
पिता शृण्वन् बालप्रकरम्
Akhilam tvatstuti param.
अखिलं त्वत्स्तुतिपरम्
Pita shrinvan balaprakaram akhilam tvatstuti param.
पिता शृण्वन् बालप्रकरमखिलं त्वत्स्तुतिपरम् पिता शृण्वन् बालप्रकरमखिलं त्वत्स्तुतिपरम्
Rushandha prahainam.
रुषान्धः प्राहैनम्
Kulahataka kaste balamiti.
कुलहतककस्ते बलमिति कुलहतककस्ते बलमिति
रुषान्धः प्राहैनं कुलहतककस्ते बलमिति
वृषान्धः प्राहैनं कुलहतककस्ते बलमिति वृषान्धः प्राहैनं कुलहतककस्ते बलमिति
बलं मे वैकुण्ठः
बलं मे वैकुण्ठः बलं मे वैकुण्ठः
तव च जगतां चापि सबलम्
तव च जगतां चापि सबलं तव च जगतां चापि सबलं
बलं मे वैकुण्ठस्तव च जगतां चापि सबलम्
बलं मे वैकुण्ठस्तव च जगतां चापि सबलं बलं मे वैकुण्ठस्तव च जगतां चापि सबलं
स एव त्रैलोक्यम्
स एव त्रैलोक्यं
सकलमिति धीरोऽयमगदीत्
सकलमिति धीरोऽयमगदीत् सकलमिति धीरोऽयमगदीत्
स एव त्रैलोक्यं सकलमिति धीरोऽयमगदीत्
स एव त्रैलोक्यं सकलमिति धीरोऽयमगदीत् स एव त्रैलोक्यं सकलमिति धीरोऽयमगदीत् पिता शृण्वन् बालप्रकरमखिलं त्वत्स्तुतिपरं वृषान्धः प्राहैनं कुलघातककस्ते बलमिति बलं मे वैकुण्ठस्तव च जगतां चापि सबलं स एव त्रैलोक्यं सकलमिति धीरोऽयमगदीत्
Good. So there is one question on Rikara. I will take that at the end. Shrinvan and there is the Dirgha. I will take that at the end. Shloka number 10, Arjun. Arjuna. Arjun? Okay. Ramya? Okay, Arjun. Yes. Good. Are Kwaso.
अरे क्वासौ अरे क्वासौ
Kwaso.
क्वासौ क्वासौ
सकल जगदात्मा
सकल जगदात्मा
हरिरिति
हरिरिति
प्रभिन्ते स्म
प्रभिन्ते स्म तम्भं
not tambham, stambham, whatever is there, stambham
चलितकरवालः
दितिसुतः अतः पश्चात् विष्णो नहि वदितुमीशः अस्मि सहसा
अस्मि सहसा अस्मि सहसा
कृपात्मन् विश्वात्मन्
कृपात्मन् विश्वात्मन् कृपात्मन् विश्वात्मन्
पवनपुरवासिन्
पवनपुरवासिन् पवनपुरवासिन्
मृडय माम्
मृडय माम्
अरे क्वासौ क्वासौ
अरे क्वासौ क्वासौ अरे क्वासौ क्वासौ
सकल जगदात्मा
सकल जगदात्मा सकल जगदात्मा
हरिरिति
हरिरिति हरिरिति
प्रभिन्ते स्म स्तम्भम्
प्रभिन्ते स्म स्तम्भम् प्रभिन्ते स्म स्तम्भम्
चलितकरवालोदितिसुतः
चलितकरवालोदितिसुतः चलितकरवालोदितिसुतः
अतः पश्चाद्विष्णो
अतः पश्चाद्विष्णो अतः पश्चाद्विष्णो
न हि वदितुम्
न हि वदितुम् न हि वदितुम्
ईशोऽस्मि सहसा
ईशोऽस्मि सहसा ईशोऽस्मि सहसा
कृपात्मन् विश्वात्मन्
कृपात्मन् विश्वात्मन् कृपात्मन् विश्वात्मन्
पवनपुरवासिन् मृडय माम्
पवनपुरवासिन् मृडय माम् पवनपुरवासिन् मृडय माम्
हरे क्वासौ क्वासौ
अरे क्वासौ क्वासौ अरे क्वासौ क्वासौ
सकल जगदात्मा हरिरिति
सकल जगदात्मा हरिरिति सकल जगदात्मा हरिरिति
अरे क्वासौ क्वासौ सकल जगदात्मा हरिरिति
अरे क्वासौ क्वासौ सकल जगदात्मा हरिरिति अरे क्वासौ क्वासौ सकल जगदात्मा हरिरिति
प्रभिन्ते स्म स्तम्भम्
प्रभिन्ते स्म स्तम्भम् प्रभिन्ते स्म स्तम्भम्
चलितकरवालोदितिसुतः
चलितकरवालोदितिसुतः चलितकरवालोदितिसुतः
अतः पश्चात् प्रभिन्ते स्म स्तम्भं चलितकरवालोदितिसुतः
प्रभिन्ते स्म स्तम्भं प्रभिन्ते स्म स्तम्भं चलितकरवालोदितिसुतः प्रभिन्ते स्म स्तम्भं चलितकरवालोदितिसुतः
अतः पश्चाद्विष्णो
अतः पश्चाद्विष्णो अतः पश्चाद्विष्णो
न हि वदितुमीशोऽस्मि सहसा
न हि तु वदितुं
There is no
न
tu.
हि वदितुमीशोऽस्मि सहसा न हि वदितुमीशोऽस्मि सहसा
अतः पश्चाद्विष्णो न हि वदितुमीशोऽस्मि सहसा
अतः पश्चाद्विष्णो न हि वदितुमीशोऽस्मि सहसा अतः पश्चाद्विष्णो न हि वदितुमीशोऽस्मि सहसा
कृपात्मन् विश्वात्मन्
कृपात्मन् विश्वात्मन्
पवनपुरवासिन् मृडयमाम्
पवनपुरवासिन् मृडय माम्
कृपात्मन् विश्वात्मन् पवनपुरवासिन् मृडयमाम्
कृपात्मन् विश्वात्मन् पवनपुरवासिन् मृडय माम् कृपात्मन् विश्वात्मन् पवनपुरवासिन् मृडय माम् अरे क्वासौ सकलजगदात्मा हरिरिति प्रभिन्ते स्म स्तम्भं चलितकरवालो दितिसुतः अतः पश्चाद्विष्णो न हि वदितुमीशोऽस्मि सहसा कृपात्मन् विश्वात्मन् पवनपुरवासिन् मृडय माम्
Very good. Next, Ramya. इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये
इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये
प्रह्लादचरितन्नाम
प्रह्लादचरितन्नाम
चतुर्विंशतितमं दशकं समाप्तम्
चतुर्विंशतितमं दशकं समाप्तम् चतुर्विंशतितमं दशकं समाप्तम्
फुल
इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये प्रह्लादचरितन्नाम चतुर्विंशतितमं दशकं समाप्तम् नारायणाखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते.
we will take a couple of lines in 25th dashaka Narasimha Avatara. It is Sraddhara meter. We have seen this in the first dashaka Sandananda Avabodha, 21 letters, and the Yati is split is 777, 7 letters. Stambhe Ghattayataha
स्तम्भे घट्टयतः
Hiranyakashipoh
हिरण्यकशिपोः
Karnau
कर्णौ
Samachornayan
समाचूर्णयन्
Aghurnat
आघूर्णत्
Jagadanda
जगदण्ड
Kundakuharaha
कुण्डकुहरः
Ghoraha
घोरः
Tava Bhudravaha
तव भूद्रवः
Stambhe Ghattayataha
स्तम्भे घट्टयतः
Hiranyakashipoh
हिरण्यकशिपोः
Karnau Samachornayan
कर्णौ समाचूर्णयन्
Aghurnat Jagadanda
आघूर्णज्जगदण्ड आघूर्णज्जगदण्ड
कुण्डकुहरः
कुण्डकुहरः कुण्डकुहरः
घोरस्तवाभूद्रवः
घोरस्तवाभूद्रवः घोरस्तवाभूद्रवः
स्तम्भे घट्टयतो हिरण्यकशिपोः
स्तम्भे घट्टयतो हिरण्यकशिपोः स्तम्भे घट्टयतो हिरण्यकशिपोः
कर्णौ समाचूर्णयन्
कर्णौ समाचूर्णयन् कर्णौ समाचूर्णयन्
स्तम्भे घट्टयतो हिरण्यकशिपोः कर्णौ समाचूर्णयन्
स्तम्भे घट्टयतो हिरण्यकशिपोः कर्णौ समाचूर्णयन् स्तम्भे घट्टयतो हिरण्यकशिपोः कर्णौ समाचूर्णयन्
आघूर्णज्जगदण्डकुण्डकुहरः
आघूर्णज्जगदण्डकुण्डकुहरः आघूर्णज्जगदण्डकुण्डकुहरः
घोरस्तवाभूद्रवः
घोरस्तवाभूद्रवः घोरस्तवाभूद्रवः
आघूर्णज्जगदण्डकुण्डकुहरो घोरस्तवाभूद्रवः
आघूर्णज्जगदण्डकुण्डकुहरो घोरस्तवाभूद्रवः आघूर्णज्जगदण्डकुण्डकुहरो घोरस्तवाभूद्रवः
Read the 2 lines.
स्तम्भे घट्टयतो हिरण्यकशिपो कर्णौ समाचूर्णयन् आघूर्णज्जगदण्डकुण्डकुहरो घोरस्तवाभूद्रवः
Good. So we will stop there with the portion for today. And this Dashaka is actually, as Jyotsna has pointed out, it is Shardula Vikridita, 19 letters, not Sragdhara. I made a mistake. It is 19 letters, and the meter is Shardula Vikridita, which we have seen in 2nd Dashaka, 5th Dashaka, and so on. Yeah, I think in one more place or something. Yeah, 19 letters. And there was a mail about. So the memorization test is happening for 5 dashakams at a time. So 1 to 5, 6 to 10, and so on. 16 to 20 just happened recently. If you want to say some previous portion, then you need not take it as a block of 5 only. Let's say you want to participate in the memorization test for 21 to 25. You can tell from 1 to 3 and 21 to 25. You can tell from 11 to 14. At least take 3 dashakams, 2 or 3 dashakams from previous portion. Do not take 1 dashakam. Try to take 2 or 3 minimum. You can take 5, 10, you can tell 20 also together. There is no upper limit, but the lower limit, let us keep it at 2 or 3 dashakams, some previous. So those who have not given the previous tests and who want to memorize the previous portions also, along with the 5 dashakams that are there in the current test, you can say any number of dashakams from the previous portions. So while filling the memorization test form, there is an option for that. You can specify which are the dashakams you are going to give. So minimum is 5. The 5 for that particular test you have to give. The previous portions you can give how many ever. And you can participate in any test, upcoming test. It is not that if I have not participated in the previous test, I cannot participate. So there is no there is no, there is a, so there is no dependency on the previous test for the upcoming forthcoming tests. So you can participate in any of the upcoming tests if you have attended those, if you have memorized basically. And some of them had some mistake in the SN Shastri book, the Chinmaya Mission, from 22 to 24, some pages were upside down, or some pages were missing or reprinted or something. So one of them had sent me a mail saying, if you mail them itself, Chinmaya Mission Trust, if you can mail them, then they will actually exchange the book and give you a new copy, that this print is wrong and whatever. That is, if there is a reprint or misprint or something of that sort. So I hope those are the clarifications I had. Possible to get SN Shastri book in Tamil lyrics. SN Shastri in Tamil is not there. Basically, Tamil is not great for reading Narayaniam. I've said this many times before. It's better to learn. Even English Roman transliteration is better. This the particular transliteration that I'm using is better than Tamil, because when you read Tamil, you will get the Tamil accent. I do not want the Tamil accent to enter here. Pronouncing ta as da and pa as ba, and so the other things. We do not have a differentiation in Tamil, which is a drawback. We cannot do anything about the script as such. The Grantha script of has more letters, so we should try to learn a new script, at least for learning Narayaniam. And in Netherlands, you are not able to order the book. I don't know if Chinmaya Mission is supplying there. Hopefully, if it's there on Amazon or something, you should try to do that. And there is one more. This I will take this question, or I will finish the recitation of the whole Dashakam and then take few more questions that are there on the question, this thing. Finish the recitation of this whole Dashakam. Today we'll have question session and then student recitation session also. We will have both today. Atha chaturvimshatitamam dashakam हिरण्याक्षे पोत्रि प्रवर वपुषा देव भवता हते शोक क्रोध ग्लपित धृतिरेतस्य सहजः हिरण्य प्रारंभः कशिपुरमराराति सदसि प्रतिज्ञामातेने तव किल वधार्थं मधुरिपो विधातारं घोरं सखलु तपसित्वा न चिरतः पुरः साक्षात् कुर्वन् सुरनरमृगाद्यैरनिधनं वरं लब्ध्वा दृप्तो जगदिह भवन्नायकमिदं परिक्षुन्दन्निन्द्रादहरत दिवं त्वामगणयन् निहन्तुं त्वां भूयस्तव पदमवाप्तस्य च रिपोः बहिर्दृष्टेरन्तर्दधिथ हृदये सूक्ष्मवपुषा नदन्नुच्चैस्तत्राप्यखिल भुवनान्ते च मृगयन् भियायातं मत्वा सखलु जितकाशीनिववृते ततोऽस्य प्रह्लादः समजनिसुतो गर्भवसतौ मुनेर्वीणापाणेरधिगत भवद्भक्तिमहिमा स वै जात्या दैत्यः शिशुरपि समेत्य त्वयि रतिं गतस्त्वद्भक्तानां वरद परमोदाहरणताम् सुरारीणां हास्यं तव चरणदास्यन्निजसुते सदृष्ट्वा दुष्टात्मा गुरुभिरशिशिक्षच्चिरममुं गुरुप्रोक्तं चासाविदमिदमभद्राय दृढमित्यपाकुर्वन् सर्वं तव चरणभक्त्यैव ववृधे अधीतेषु श्रेष्ठं किमिति परिपृष्टेऽथ तनये भवद्भक्तिं वर्यामभिगदति पर्याकुलधृतिः गुरुभ्यो रोषित्वा सहजमतिरस्येत्यभिविदन् वधोपायानस्मिन् व्यतनुत भवत्पादशरणे सशूलैराविद्धः सुबहुमथितो दिग्गजगणैः महासर्पैर्दष्टोऽप्यनशनगराहारविधुतः गिरीन्द्रावक्षिप्तोऽप्यहः परमात्मन्नयि विभो त्वयि न्यस्तात्मत्वात् किमपि न निपीडामभजत ततः शङ्काविष्टः स पुनरतिदुष्टोऽस्य जनकः गुरूक्त्या तद्गेहे किल वरुणपाशैस्तमरुणत् गुरोश्चासान्निध्ये स पुनरनुगान् दैत्यतनयान् भवद्भक्तेस्तत्त्वं परममपि विज्ञानमशिषत् पिता शृण्वन् बालप्रकरमखिलं त्वत्स्तुतिपरं रुषान्धः प्राहैनं कुलहतककस्ते बलमिति बलं मे वैकुण्ठस्तव च जगतां चापि सबलं स एव त्रैलोक्यं सकलमिति धीरोऽयमगदीत् अरे क्वासौ सकल जगदात्मा हरिरिति प्रभिन्ते स्मस्तम्भं चलितकरवालोदिति सुतः अतः पश्चाद्विष्णो न हि वदितुमीशोऽस्मि सहसा कृपात्मन् विश्वात्मन् पवनपुरवासिन् मृडय माम् इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये प्रह्लादचरितं नाम चतुर्विंशतितमं दशकं समाप्तम् नारायणाखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते. It is just Prahlada Charitam, not Charitamam. That I'll correct it. And these two lines. Stambhe ghattayato hiranyakashipoh karnau samachornayan aghornajjagadanda kundakuharo ghorastava bhudravaha. That is today's portion. Now those questions that we had. One second. Yeah, one was about the Shrinvan. So Shri is just Shrinvan. That is Rikara, the R that we have in Swaras. So let me take the pen here. So this is, I hope you can see that ink. Okay, some ink has come. Sha plus R, which is the Swara. A, I, U, R. This is the Swara. R, sh plus r, shri. In the previous, during memory test, what we said was that was prachetrinam. There the prachetrinam, there the tr actually has the dirgha r. There takara is with the dirgha rikara. So there it goes as prachetrinam, pitrun. All these dirgha rikara, r, r. So that is why it is r there. So the other one is Shrutva. When you have Shrutva, it is Sha plus Ra, which is a Vyanjanakshara. This is Ra. Okay, so there is a subtle difference. So you want to have more difference between these, you have to go to the Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi class by Soumya Bhagini and then find out the difference. So there is Rakara, which is the proper Repha with Ra sound, that Prakara, Makhilam, all that Rakara. This R is a Swarakshara, though it has a Rephamsha, Shri, and then Pitrun, there Prachetrunam is Dirgharu. I hope it is cleared. If not, you can unmute and ask during the question, this thing. And the next is Prahlada, we are saying Ha and then La. Whereas for Brahma, we are saying Ma and then Ha. So it is the continuous doubt. So there the Hakara is half and then you get Ma. Here you get Hakara half and then La. But we have the rule in Vyakarana that only for Makara and Nakara and Na. That is Ma, Na and Na. Tata Dadhana, Tata Dadhana. Those two Nas and Makara. When the Hakara precedes it, the half Hakara precedes it, you tell that first and this second. So only for those 3 letters, that is the exceptional rule. For everywhere else, however it is written, that's how it is pronounced. For more details on that, you can again go to the Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi class, where it will be, if it is not done already, it will be dealt with separately later. Yeah. Can we not use Jihva Mulia in the second line? In which second line I forgot. I think that is in the, one second, I have to take off this pen. Kuharo, I don't know. I don't know where you are asking, sir. When I unmute, you can ask. I think that is those questions. That is those questions. Now I will take questions from the audience. I'm going to put all the hands down first. Please wait for me. 1 second. I put all the hands down now. You can raise your hands for questions. Please raise your hands for questions. Panchanatham Swaminathan, sir. Then Vanamala.
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes.
Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. With my Jihva Mulia question is this, what we're seeing there. Agu na jagadanda kunda kuhara khora stabad buddha banva kuharo.
The Jihva Mulia is only for Ka and Kha, not for Ga and Kha, not for Tritiya and Chaturtha Akshara. It's only for Prathama and Ditiya Akshara. Only Ka and Kha.
And then
you can't do. The Sandhi rule is different. Sandhi becomes Okara only. I have to change it to O. It is split and written. I'll change it to O.
but it's better to break it here because it's a long line. So
Yeah, it is good to break and say. It is nice to listen also. But the script will be Okara.
And then the previous Dashakam, it was Guru Kya, right?
Yes.
It was not clear. It looked like a Guru Kya. So the
when I look at, the font is like that, but that is a valid way of writing. That's how most of the modern fonts come this way. It is Ik, Kakara, Takara, Yakara. So 3 Vyanjanaksharas, then followed by Swara. Ik, Tya, Guru, Tya.
Because when I look at some other text, they split it up. They say Guru and then Itya. So that makes it no confusion there.
Guru Uktya.
Yeah.
So Guru Uktya. That's a one word. You have to say it like that because it is Samastapada. So Guru Uktya is the way to say it. Yes.
This particular Sadasakam is very, very beautiful to hear. Anyway, maybe because of the story also.
Yeah. This Dashakam is beautiful. Next Dashakam is even more beautiful and even more difficult to pronounce. So that's why I took 2 lines there. We will go 2 lines by 2 lines in the 25th Dashakam.
Dhanyavada. Thank you.
Vanamala, then Jyotishanai.
Namaskaram.
Namaskar.
I've always had this doubt in my mind. I have a Malayalam book also in Narayanian, where I find the pronunciation and the letters very close to Sanskrit, with the differences, ta, dha, everything very clear. But there is always one doubt I have. Wherever there is ta, it is ill in the book. For example, in Dashakam 2024.
I understood. No, that is because in Malayalam, the dialect is such that Takara has been replaced by Lakara. Even in the Nambudiri tradition has had that. The Nambudiri tradition of telling the Vedas itself, they replace the Takara by Lakara. For example, the script on here itself, there is Daitya is there. It might become Dailya. The Ta is replaced by Lakara, mainly in place where Takara is half Takara. That is in Samyukta.
Yeah, so for example, Vijnanam Ashishat is Vijnanam Ashishal.
So half Takara, that is because Malayalam tradition has that, but that is not the way to pronounce that. That's only in the Vedic tradition of the Nambudiris, let it stay like that. And we will take all other Malayalam is the most comprehensive script because it has all the letters.
Yeah, very close to Sanskrit, but this is the only problem I have seen everywhere.
Yes.
So I'm correcting it in my book.
You change it to Ta. That is because of the usage in Malayalam they have come up with.
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Jyoti Shanai, then Geeta Vinod.
Namaskar, Guruji.
Namaste.
Namaste. I had a doubt on the Dashakam 24, third sloka, third line. I tried to recite it when practicing with both the pauses. I want you to tell me which is the correct one, because I tried both and both looked okay, but to fine tune it so that there are no mistakes. The third line, nadana
There is no
nuchaistatrapya.
nadana. There is no nadana. It is nadannuchai. Nadannuchai.
So is that one word, nadan nuchai?
Yeah, it is one word.
Nadannuchaistatrapyakhila bhuvanante cha mrugayan. So the pause comes after pya or khila?
Actually, there you should not give pauses after pya or khila, because there is a santhi there. You are right. According to the yati, after 6 letters, it will come there. But
Correct.
you should not give it there because it is tatrapi and akhila. So you can split it as tatrapi, but then the raga will go haywire. So
Correct.
best is to fill that whole sentence together. Nadannuchaistatrapyakhila. If you that one kind of tatrapyakhila bhuvanante chamrgayan,
Yeah.
we can take. The
So
best thing
the-
is to tell the whole line together. So many
Yeah,
lines
but-
will come like we'll have to hold the breath for the whole line, at least a single line. We need to practice holding your breath.
Yeah, that is possible. But I found that after khila, there is a split second pause which comes after
That
the
is okay.
khila.
Akhila is okay because the pada ends, but still the whole samasta pada is still continuing.
Correct.
But at least akhila is one word there.
Yeah, okay. I think you answered my query, which was in my mind. It was bothering me. I tried both ways, and then I said, no, I have to ask you. Thank you very much.
Ram. Geeta Vinod, then Umaram.
Namo Namah Mahoday. This is the following shloka. Tatosya prahladaha samajani suto garbhavasatau. Tatra saptami va garbhavasatau.
Garbhavasatau saptamyam eva asti. Garbhavasatihi iti
Garbhavasatihi. Padikam is garbhavasatihi.
vasati. Pratama vibhaktihi garbhavasatihi.
Garbhavasatihi. Tadeva. It was bothering me also when we were reading this, so I thought I'll clarify.
Tatra sthayitvam iti.
Garbe. Okay. Astu Mahoday. Living inside the. Dhanyavadah Mahoday.
Next, Umaram 08.
Sai Ram.
Ram.
Do you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Actually, I am attending from the California, US. So whenever I attend every week, I used to attend from the phone call instead of the webinar, because that's easy for me to attend.
Okay.
So, but sometimes whenever I call the phone call, I have to enter the passcode. So the passcode starts with 618-667-546. But whenever, most of the time, at least the 50%, it says it's not considering the one when I type. So whenever it says, and I type 618, it takes only 68, and it's not allowing me inside. So that one is a problem when we are entering.
I think you should mail Vyoma, because I have no clue. First of all, I didn't know a passcode was required, and I have not done it through the phone. Because in India, I don't think we can use the phone to dial in. It is since GoToWebinar is US based, only in US you can dial in through the phone. So you can mail Vyoma directly and ask. If not, I think you should mail GoToWebinar support itself straight away, or Vyoma might take care of that. So you mail the official Vyoma ID, you can mail them. Vyoma samskritapatana@gmail.com. You can mail them about this. I'm not sure how to get to this.
Okay, no problem. Thank you so much, sir. Sairam.
And that's the end of questions. I'll put all the hands down. Okay, Sita Lakshmi has a question. Sita Lakshmi.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes.
See, actually, in the site, it's the slokas are updated till only 21.7 or something. These slokas are not updated.
Yeah. In the site, the classes have been updated only till 39th class or something. I have not had time to update the site because it takes some time.
Okay.
But the videos are already available on YouTube. Videos are available the very next day. Videos you can
Okay.
directly, and even script is there. Script in all languages is there. Only audio and this presentation you need the website, but that I think it is not as
Yeah.
necessary. It's only for later reference that you require. Both video
And
and script are available. You can use those two to practice.
Okay, and next one question is, see, when I log into webinar, it takes some time for me to connect the same whatever with the headset or no, I'm not using the computer. I'm using the headset for clarity. Okay,
Okay.
but if you can give some time to settle down, it will be good because you just open and start this thing. So if you give
No, I
another
open the webinar 5-10 minutes before, at least by 7:55 I open it. So you can join
But
anytime.
I joined it before 15 minutes beforehand, but nobody, it was not letting me inside. I don't know why it was.
I not switch it on, but I switched it on today. I started it at 7:52 or 53. So that time it should have
Okay.
let you in. What
Okay.
might happen is once I start broadcast, I start telling right away. I will probably
Yeah.
give 30 seconds after I start my broadcast. That is
Yes. Sometimes no, there is a small lag, and we have to search for which sloka you are doing it. Okay. Okay. Ram Ram. Thank you.
Ram. Girija Vaidishwaran.
Namaskar, Mahodaya.
Namaskar.
24th Dashakam. In my book, the 7th sloka, the first line, Sashulai Raviddaha Subahu Madhito Dimma Jamanai is written. But yeah, I saw your script and I have changed it to Dikka Jaganaihi. I struck it off and I wrote it down. In mine, it is Dimma Jamanaihi. Dimma Jamanaihi. All ma, the ga is ma and ga Jamanaihi instead of Jaganaihi. That's wrong.
No, that is wrong.
This is Ramakrishna book actually. Mostly it is all right. Whatever is coming in the screen is only there. Only this one word is wrong. So I've changed it. So I just wanted to know this is confirmed. Okay. Thank you. Dhanyawad.
Now I put all the hands down. You can raise your hands for recitation. We will recite from 23.6. We have 10 shlokas. We will go through it multiple times for those who want to recite. So, okay. Yes. We'll start with Yuveda and then Shyamala Ramachandra. Please put your hands down after recitation and mute yourself.
Ram Ram Mahodaya.
Ram Ram.
Stotram cha mantramapi naradadatho labdhva toshaya shesha.
Repeat.
Stotram cha mantramapi naradadatho thalabdhva toshaya sheshavapusho nanute tapasyan vidyadharadhipatitam sahi saptaratre labdhvapyakunthamatiranavabhajat
Matiranva bhajat
bhavantam. Sorry, Mahadev. I thought you would start from 24 Dashakam. I revised 23.6, but I think I have to practice more.
As you revise, will keep coming. Good.
Yes, thank you. Ram Ram.
God, that is the point.
Yes.
Shyamala Ramachandran 23.7. Then Jayalakshmi Ganesh.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Tasmai mrinala dhavalena sahasrasirshna rupena bhaddanuti siddha ganavritena pradurbavanna chirato nutibhi prasannaha tatvatma tattvamanograhya dadhata.
Very good. You're telling very well. Little fluency, multiple practice. Good. Jayalakshmi Ganeshan.
Namaskar Mahoday.
Namaskar.
Bhakta Maulirath Sopita Laksham
वर्षाणि हर्षुलमना भुवनेषु कामं सङ्गपयन् गुणगणं तव सुन्दरी विवेकरहितो ललितं चचार.
Very good.
Thank you.
Good. And after Jayalakshmi Ganeshan, Jyoti Shanai, then Sridevi N.
Am I reciting the 23rd Dashakam 9th sloka?
Yes.
Okay. Atyanta sanga vilalaya bhavat pranunaha nunam sarupya girimapya mahat samaje nishankamanka krutavallabha mangajarim tam shankaram parihasannu maya abhishepe.
Very good. Only first time tell Bhavat Pranunnaha.
Atyanta sanga vilayaya bhavat pranunaha.
Nunaha. It is Nunnaha.
Okay. Nunnaha. Okay. All right. Thank you.
Sridevi N. 10th shloka. Then Bayya Uma Devi. Sridevi N. You are self-muted. Or Bayya Uma Devi. 23:10.
Namaskaram.
Namaskar.
Namaskaram. Nissambhramasmayachidashabhamoksha pratramubagamya surindayoti aktyaatmakathanai samare vijitram shatroravi bhramapasya gadappadande.
Good, good. Little that Tamil accent is still there, that you have to get it off slowly by practice.
Can you hear me?
Keep listening, it will come. Good. Shloka number 11. Bhayya Uma.
Can you hear?
वत्सेवनेन दितिरिन्द्रवधोद्यतापि तान् प्रमुद्यतेन्द्र सुहृदो मरुतो बिलेभे.
Second line. Repeat second line.
तान् प्रत्युतेन्द्र सुहृदो मरुतो बिलेभे दुष्टाशयेऽपि शुभदैव भवन्निषेवा तत्तादृशस्त्वमवमां पवनालयेश.
The Mahaprana should come. In most places, the Mahaprana, you are missing them. Little more stress on the Shubhadaiva, Bhavannisheva, Vadhodhyata. The Mahaprana should come.
दुष्टाशयेऽपि शुभदैव भवन्निषेव तत्तादृशस्त्वमवमां पवनालयेश. Thank you.
Next, 24.1, who was it? Geeta Vinod. Then Vatsala Jambunatha. 24.1, Geeta Vinod. Or Vatsala Jambunathan.
हिरण्याक्षे बोत्रि प्रवर वभुषदेव भवता हते चोककृतोल्य पित्तरुतिरेतस्य सकजः हिरण्यं प्रारम्भ कशि अमर 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 अमरारि प्रतिज्ञमातेन तव. ओके. हिरण्याक्षे बोत्रि प्रवर वपुषा देव भवता हते शोकक्रोत्यस्तप्रति रेतस्य सहजः.
So that is what is happening. You should be a little more careful about, you should listen more carefully to the recording, and then here and there you're missing letters, jumbling up few things. Otherwise, on the whole, the flow is there. Most of it is correct. So little more careful listening should be done in some places. Okay. Good.
प्रतिज्ञामातेने तव किल वदार्थं मधुरिपो.
Good. Okay. Next, second shloka, Geeta.
विधातारं घोरं सकलु तपसित्वा न चिरतः पुरः साक्षात् कुर्वन् सुरनरमृगाद्यैरधि निधनम् अनिधनम् वरं लब्ध्वा दृप्तो जगदिह भवन्नायकमिदम् परिक्षुन्दन्निद्रात् अहरत दिवं त्वामगणयन्.
Here Mrigadyehi, the Dakara is not Mahaprana, it's Mrigadyehi only, not Dha.
Suranaramargadhyairanidanam.
Many people, since the script is like that, it is Dhakara with Yakara. People who are new to the script, this is Alpa Pranada with Ya.
But there should be a little bit of stress given. I thought you told not as much as a Mahaprana, but when there is a double Da or a double Ta.
So that is like one Alpa Pranada and Alpa Pranada. So it is Mrigadhyairanidanam. It is not Mrigadhy. The it should not come.
Mrigadhyair. Astu Mahoday. Dhanyavad.
Next, shloka number 3. Mohana Sundara Rajan. Then Suvarna Sudagoni.
Ram Ram. Ram, yeah. Nigantum tvam bhuyastava padamavatsyaccaripoho bahidrishterantardadita hridaye sushma vapusha nadannuchaistatrapyakila bhuvanante cha mridayan viyayatam matva sakalu jitakashini vavrte.
Good. Difficult. Good. Good. Next, Suvarna.
ततोस्य प्रह्लादः समजनिसुतो गर्भवसतौ मुनेर्वीणापाणेरधिगत भवद्भक्तिमहिमा स वै जात्या दैत्यः शिशुरपि समेत्य त्वयि रतिं गतस्त्वद्भक्तानां वरद परमोदाहरणताम्.
Next is Kalpana Rajagopal and then Veenashyam. Kalpana Rajagopal.
Ram. Surarinam hasyam tava charana dasyam nijasute sadrishtva dushtatma gurubhirashi shikshat chiramamum guru proktam chasa vidamidama bhadraya dridamit yapa kurvan sarvan tava charana bhakyaiva vavridhe.
Good.
Ram.
The same shloka, Veenashyam.
Can you hear me, Mahodaya?
Yes.
Surarinam chasyam tava charanadasyam nijasute sadrishtva drishtatma gurubhirashishikshachiramamum guru proktam chasavidam midamabhadraya drudhamityapa sarvam tava charana bhaktiyaiva vavrudhe.
Almost good. It is Dushtatma, not Drishtatma. Like that, you will in more time practice. Good.
Thank
you. Panchanadam Swaminathan sir. Panchanadam Swaminathan. Oh, I am muted. No.
Hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tatosya prahladaha samajani suto garbhavasatau munervina pane adigata bhavat bhakti mahima saiva savai jhatya daitya shishurapi sametya tvayiratim gatastat bhakthanam varada paramoda hanaratam.
Very good. Wonderful. I think that ends today's session. All of us have recited. Okay, one more person. Last. V and Meena. Shloka number 3. We will stop it.
निघन्तुं त्वां भूयस्तवपदमवाप्यस्य च रिपो बहिर्दुष्टेरन्तर्दधिह हृदये सूक्ष्मवपुषा नदन्नुच्चैस्तत्राप्य किल भुवनान्ते च मृयन् ध्यायातं मत्वा सकलु जकाशिनिववृते.
Almost good. Here it is avaptasya cha. You are saying something else. Similarly, the next second line also. Little more concentration on the recording. Okay. Ram
Okay.
Sarvebhyah. Shubha Ratrihi. We will again meet in the next class. Shubham.
Thank you.